Hi guys, Zach with Proline Range Hoods here today, and we're going to be unboxing our PLJW 101 range hood. We're going to take everything out of the box, show you what it comes with, and help you get ready and prepare for installation. So we've gone ahead and removed everything from the box. Obviously we have the range hood itself, and then the stainless steel baffle filters that will come inside of their own box. We also have the mounting bracket that will come separately, as well as the transition piece, manual, and hardware that you'll need to install the range hood. So we'll break these down and go through each of them individually. We've gone ahead and removed the protective covering from the range hood, so now we can see inside it the massive 1000 CFM high efficiency blower, and that's going to be encased inside the 430 stainless steel range hood itself. Now today we are looking at the 36-inch model. Now we do have 30 inches all the way up to 60 inches for the PLJW 101, and that actually comes with two different blower options depending on the size. So if you get larger than 48 inches, you will have two different 1000 CFM high efficiency blowers located inside the range hood. Today, obviously all we can see is one because that's what we have with the 36-inch model. Now, if we look inside the range hood, we will see our two different LED lights. These are great for low light cooking environments. They last a long time. You can easily replace them. And on this model, actually, we do have two different heating lamps, which is great. You guys can, keep your food warm while you're cooking. You will need to get those lights separately, but we give you the option to have them if you'd like. We've gone ahead and removed the stainless steel baffle filters as well as the grease tray from the separate box that they come in. And we're just gonna install the grease tray. You guys do this first before the baffle filters. It's very easy. If you just put it down here at the bottom of the range hood, one side with the other, it will have its own design slot that it can slide into perfectly. Up next, all you have left to install is the stainless steel baffle filter. So we'll grab one of these. It does come with three. If we drop it just behind the grease tray that we installed, go back up into the top of the range hood and then pull it into place. It will sit nice and easy and you can slide it into its place. These things are great. They're very easy to clean and maintain. They're dishwasher safe and they're super easy to use. If we look up from our two LED lights on the front of the range hood, we will have our black LCD touch panel. You guys can control everything on the range hood from right here, powering it on and off, controlling the heating lamps that we spoke about earlier, as well as turning off and on the lights. Now we can also control the 4-speed option for the power of your range hood, all the way from the highest, most powerful setting down to medium, low, and quietest on the most quiet setting. We've gone ahead and installed the stainless steel baffle filters. Now, all that's left to talk about is, again, what comes inside the box, where your hardware and manual will be. This also will house your transition piece and the power cord and the adhesive that the transition piece will need. So everything left will be inside this box that you'll need for installation. So there you guys have it. That's everything that comes with our PLJW 101 range hood. Again, don't forget, if you do need different sizes and are still shopping around, ProlineRangeHoods.com will have anything to fit your home exactly the way you need it. So check us out there, or if you have any other questions, call us. Don't hesitate to contact our support team. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you in the next one.